And first example is telling us find the half-inch mark and find the second 2.5 inch mark on the ruler. So we have three big lines between 1, 2, and 3. So the half-inch mark would be this. The 2.5 inch, this would be 1.5, and here would be 2.5. So it's basically between the 0 and the 1 is half. Between the 1 and 2 is 1.5, and between the 2 and the 3 is 2.5. Okay, let's go to the next example. It's telling us to find the 1/4 inch mark, find the 1 and 1/4 inch mark, the 1 and 1 and 3 inch mark, the 2 and 1/4 inch mark, and the 2 and 3/4 inch mark, and the 3 and 1/4 inch mark on the ruler. So let's first find the 1/4 inch mark. Okay. The first line here would be the 1/4 inch mark. Here, this is 2/4, but you could reduce that to half. So this would be half. This would be 1/4, this line. So this one, so we go from 1/4, 2/4, and then 3/4 here. So we go, it's like going in order: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, and then we get 1. And once again, this will be 1 and 1/4, 1 and 2/4. But remember, you got to reduce the 2/4 to a half, so 1.5. And then the next one is 1 and 3/4, and then it's 2. Then you do it again, it's 2 and 1/4, 2 and 2/4. Remember to reduce the 2/4 to a half, so it's 2.5, and this is 2 and 1/4. And then after 2.5 would be 2/4, and then you get 3, and then you get 3 and 1/4 in this line. So it's basically a pattern, as you can see, from 0, 1/4, 3/4, then 1, 1 and 1/4, and then 1 and 2/4, and then it's 1 and 3/4, and then 2, and it's on and on. As you can see, the pattern is the same way. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?